What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my mother freaking channel. So today, guys, we're going to the beach. What's wrong? Look at my auntie. Say what's up to my YouTube channel. Yeah. So we're going to the beach, and I think.
First of all, call me doctor, not auntie.
Well, the doctor here. We're going to the beach today, and we're at Walmart getting some snacks for the beach. But it's a beach day, because you know the vibes are
Let
vibing.
them know that Santa Claus is here.
Santa Claus is at the Walmart. She is so annoying. Why is Walmart so packed today? Like, get out the store. Look at what she making me get, y'all. Come on. She acting like we broke. Nah, I'm just kidding. You buy these paper towels, just don't wipe your butt with them. It's all I ask. Cause your booty gonna be on fire.
Yes, because you won't put the camera down and pick up that 40-pack of water.
Me? Pick that up? Oh, Lord.
Good for your YouTube subscribers.
Oh, my goodness. Let's see if I can. Ivy, you gotta let me go.
That little
please.
curl right there. That looks...
Nobody wants to know. I'm scared. You know, in my other video, you was.
Me?
At the
Let
bottom.
me get a little closer.
Show the world that you're really weak. And you do stupid shit like this. You gotta turn around. Like you're retarded. Not only is she weak, she retarded.
There. It's on the left.
With your foot right now.
Alright, sorry. Oh, I just need it one more time.
I'm about to get drunk at the beach.
You getting this? I never had it before, so if you ever tried it and it's good, let me know. Even though I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna know about it, but you know. Diego, I'm gonna be showing y'all in the car and everything.
I'm beautiful. That's so cute.
You are. Now, Ivy, what's up with you, man? Whatever. Yeah, when we get there, I'm gonna be back on the scene, you know?
Okay, Terry, get in there and you and Olivia. You and Olivia get on the sandwiches.
Okay. Alright.
Really fast.
We're on sandwich duty. We probably leave the house around 2:30.
2:30. I want to go by 2:30. So get on the sandwiches. I'm gonna whip up some cooked tuna.
Okay.
We got salads, tuna, sushi, salad. Did I say sandwiches? No, I said salads.
Yeah.
We got all healthy stuff, yeah?
We do.
Pineapples. That's what I call them, pineapples. Pretty dangerous. It causes accident. You better stop driving where it stop signs. You need to be on the open road.
The freeway. Ivy, Olivia, would you like to say something? Dang, y'all very dry in the vlog. Whatever.
Let everybody know you're about to Nipsey Hussle the whole way.
Yep, and guess who y'all going? In the pocket, because I'm not getting copyrighted. Nipsey Hussle, he gonna copyright me. Rest in peace, homie.
All you gotta do is say, I do not own the rights to this music. Let it play.
Well, I'll be saying that. Y'all want some Nipsey Hussle? Oh,
Which name is not that birthday?
y'all, and if y'all did not attend church today, here's your verse of the day. The Lord loves you. There you go. I really don't have
Home real quick.
We got put on sandwich duty. Sandwiches is busting. Trying to get them before anybody see us. Yeah. It's the best meat in the world. It's so good and it's fresh.
Sounds like tomato right there. That sounds like tomato.
Sounds like tomato? Oh, sun-dried tomato turkey. Get you some. It's fire. Best of the best. Put it away. We leaving. Say we outside. Your skin look good.
Must be better. Give me this quick stand, nigga. It must be better.
Alright, y'all. We at the gas station. Yeah, that is a good one. I like it better than the Snickers too. Oh, let me show y'all the duck. Okay, let me show y'all the duck. Put a little GP on it. Football. Caleb, come on. Yeah, fire pussy gotta come out here.
Hey guys, we're trying to get that perfect angle, that perfect pic, you know?
You look black.
Right here?
Let me see. Bro, I cannot see you. It's not like showing your face. You look black, like a shadow. That's better.
That's
Hey guys, this is how we get into the water. Baywatch style.
Now you sound retarded. Go. Hey, heck no, bro. Adventure time. Come on. Look at the retards over there. Nah.
Oh, the boys is super duper deep in the water.
No, look at their
My feet.
what?
Take the phone. I'm gone.
Go Carter. Go Carter. Go Carter. Get in that water, boy. Me too, but I'm scared.
I already went over there.
Well, go get your head covered before you get in trouble by
Put
your
your
mama.
phone down and we can go together.
We are gonna go.
Like on set.
What's up, guys? So the boys are playing football right now. My auntie got in the water with us. She done.
In the water.
The boys playing football. The food is in the cooler. This cooler. I know I didn't want that one, but nothing else look good. Is that good? It's whatever. Soda.
Get her ass.
Alright, you say what's up? You know you can take that thing off your head now. Carter, you like to say anything?
No, it's just cold, bro.
Ivy, what are you doing? Want me to help you out? Ivy, you go fall. What are you doing? Ivy, get out.
It was super hot. It is not super hot.
What's up with you, kiddo?
I do got a brother. Like she say sisters all the gang signs first.
Oh, for real?
Oh, they do.
Carter, where you at, bro? I ain't learned nothing.
Sound gang bang. We ain't in that generation no more.
Good job.
That's right, Carter. That's his baby.
Cause you can open it.
I'm cold too, but I'm trying to be fat. Okay.
The more niggas stop, I'ma shine.
Okay. Okay. Ivy, where you at? Okay. Hit that. At the beach, it's a crab. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. No. He gonna eat it.
Bro, are you
I'm so serious. Look at the crab, y'all. Stop throwing stuff at it. Y'all gonna go to jail. Stop. Leave the crab alone. They trying to kill the crab. Look at it. It's real, TJ.
It is real. Okay, push it. Don't attack.
If you go a little bit further down, there's like 3 or 4 more down there, like
Oh,
up here in the shore.
cool. Now how you get it back down here?
Oh, I thought you. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I just ripped it off on Olivia's house. Stop talking to me like that, little kid. they're currently rinsing off their toes. Like they're not gonna walk back on the sand to go get the stuff. I don't know who that lady is. I'm not gonna lie. He's just standing there. Currently suck.
Tell them no, because I still can't figure out how to rinse it all out of here.
She keeps moving my foot. Bet you wish you looked like me.
I would never want to look like you. You're ugly, bro. Even though you're my sister, you're ugly.
I think we should. I'm gonna draw my feet in the bathroom. Okay, Terry,
I'm real cute.
grab your clothes, Terry.
Whoa!
Oh, okay then. Well, wait then. Oh, okay then. Okay. Well, let me run. Run. I'm sorry. I can't even run. I can't run in my sandals. I can't change. I'm about to. Oh, that's smart.
Seriously, do that.
Cause that's nasty.
Up on the boys' restroom.
Somebody shit on the floor, nigga. What are you talking about?
That's disgusting. But we just found out somebody boobled on the boys' toilet. Like, what
You're right. Like y'all dudes is nasty.
Wait, take
In
a
the
picture
little one.
like this.
In the swing. Uh-huh. I got you. Yeah. Yeah, we're on the slings. We did my salt and vinegar chip. Since we leaving, whip 1, whip 2. Say something in my
Smuggy. Bye.
Caleb, say something in my vlog.
Wait, Dad.
Say something in my vlog.
I'm single.
Oh my god.
He doesn't say anything. You can't say this to me.
Say something in my vlog.
What's good?
Uncle Lou, say something in my vlog.
Something in your blog. What's cracking?
Zion, say something in my vlog.
Hi.
Okay. Say something in my vlog.
That was a really fun day.
Okay, thanks.
You should really. Peace out.
Put me in the camera. Hi, guys. Oh, no. No, I sound gay. Hold on. Hi, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.
Some randoms. SJ, say something in my vlog.
We had a very good day today, and Terry's recording me looking like a street bum.
What's your name to Georgia?
He's quick with his fingers.
He what?
Quick with his fingers.
He's quick with his fingers.
Hold on. No, for real, no. I don't see you,
I'm
though.
16.
I'm
I'm
16.
16.
He's not 16.
Listen.
Yes, Ivy, yes. Let me bust through these boys. What you gotta say, girl?
All my mom does when she gets on the phone, she say, "What's up, Crip Cuz?"
Can't be exposing her
You
business.
can't be putting that on the vlog, Ivy.
Look.
I'm 14. There you go.
But age ain't nothing but a number, you know.
Oh, Lord.
Age ain't nothing but a number.
Oh, Lord.
Age ain't nothing but a number.
Oh, Lord.
Age ain't nothing but a
Oh,
number.
Lord.
Listen. So, you know, I'm 16 for real. I'm single. I've been out here struggle. Single life is struggle, fool. But if you a female and you single, come holler at me. You go. Yeah, I hope everybody pays attention to school.
Zion, are you sure that's all you want to say in the vloggy vlog?
Yeah.
Look.
Actually,
All right, record me.
he's
But
not.
I'm single.
And
Age ain't
quickly-
nothing but a number, you know.
Yeah, I keep telling her you better stop.
Yo, hold on, let me get this.
Orion.
We was riding with the top down.
Let me put my Instagram.
No,
I ain't got no fucking Instagram. I done told.
Oh yeah.
Well, not now.
Coda. Hey, girl. Hey, Coda girl. What, Coda girl? Coda.